gradient. In order to know the gradient, first we should know del operator. What is the del operator? Del means this is the del operator. It is a vector quantity. Okay. So what is the del operator? H is equal to dou by dou x of I bar plus dou by dou y of j bar plus dou by dou z of k. So in gradient, this is the del operator. So in gradient means what we will do? We will multiply del operator with a scalar. Sorry, it is with a scalar. Scalar means some scalar function. What we will multiply? Scalar function like phi. So we will multiply with a scalar function like phi. Suppose I want to find out phi equal to some x, y, z. I want to find out gradient of phi. What I will do? I have to multiply del with phi. Del with phi means how much? Dou by dou x of I bar plus dou by j bar plus dou by dou z of k. K bar into phi means x, y, z. Now I multiply. I will take I bar friend dou by dou x of x, y, z plus j bar into dou by dou y of x, y, z plus k bar into dou by dou z of x, y, z. Now this is equal to in pi. This is not normal differentiation. This is a partial differentiation. So we will only differentiate these things as a constant. We will take. Okay. So we will differentiate only this one. X only we will differentiate. Now let's go to here. So x, y, z, so we will differentiate I into y, z we will take out. So dou by dou x of x. Next j bar into here y we will keep and take x, z out. Dou by dou y of y plus k bar into x, y we will take it out and dou by dou z of z. So you know that x if we differentiate, what one will get? This one we will get a 1. This one 1. This one 1. So this equal to, we will arrange this one and this is equal to yz I into yz plus j bar into xz plus k bar into xy. This is equal to yz I bar plus xz j bar plus xy k bar. Now what is the one we got? Gradient of phi. Now I want gradient of phi at some point, some minus 1, 1, some 1. Now we will substitute these things at. So gradient of phi at this point equal to this one y means how much? This one y, z, x. Y means how much? 1 into 1 into I bar plus x means minus 1 into 1 into j bar plus x how much? Minus 1 into 1 into k bar is equal to I bar minus j bar plus this one also minus k bar. So this is the gradient of phi. So this is the answer. So this is how you have to find out the gradient of the scalar function. What is the xyz? So instead of xyz you can take other also. So what we have done as the outset, we have taken 5 multiplying with del operator, and each operator like that we have done. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? So this is the gradient. Now let us look into the this is about a gradient. Now another one, what is there? Divergence. Let's look into divergence. So we will look into divergence of a divergence. So in divergence what we will take is, in same del will be there, instead of scalar we will multiply with the vector. So it is a dot product. So suppose I have a vector a bar, and del operator, suppose I have a bar equal to a1 I bar plus a2 j bar plus a3 k bar. Now let us find out a divergence of a bar. This is equal to del into a bar. This is equal to, del means dou by dou x of I bar plus dou by dou y of j bar plus dou by dou z of k bar into a means what? a1 I bar plus a2 j bar plus a3 k bar. So this is the, here we have to dot product. This is the dot product we have to do. But remember that here we are using dot product. So dot product, that means in dot product you know the condition of dot product. What is the dot product? I bar dot I bar. If you multiply, these are all unit vectors, you will get 1. J bar dot j bar equal to 1. K bar dot k bar equal to 1. So we will multiply this one with this one, it become 1. So this is equal to dou by dou x of a1 plus dou by dou y of a2 plus dou by dou z of a3. So in the place of a1, a2, a3 there may be some other function. So this is about a divergence of a bar. Suppose this is how we will multiplying with a vector. But what we are getting here? This is a scalar quantity. We are not having an I bar, j bar, k bar. So in divergence of a bar gives a scalar quantity. So divergence of a vector, what we are getting? Scalar. Here what we have done earlier, gradient of a scalar we were getting vector. Okay, here gradient of scalar we are getting what? Vector. Okay, this is about the divergence. Okay, this is clear now? Now we will go into the, this is the divergence of vector. Now curl, we will go to curl of a vector. What we will call curl of a vector. So curl of vector is nothing but this is a del operator cross product into a vector. So the resultant we will get a resultant, we will get what we will get? A vector, just like a cross product. So let's take same example. Del means what? Suppose curl a bar equal to del cross a bar. This is equal to dou by dou x of a bar. A bar means let's first write dou by dou x of I bar, dou by dou y of j bar, dou by dou z of k bar into a1 I bar plus a2 j bar plus a3 k bar. So now this is a cross product. In between what is there? Let me more highlight this one. Here you are having what? Cross product. Okay, you are having what is this? Cross product. So how we will do? Not like earlier, the I into I, not like that. We have to give what is the cross product. What we have to do? We have to take determinant I bar. Yeah, I bar, J bar, K bar, and first time వచ్చినాయి అన్నిటి పక్కన డో బై డో ఎక్స్, డో బై డో వై, అండ్ డో బై డో జెడ్. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ వాట్ ఆర్ దేర్? A1, A2, A3. So A1, A2, A3. You have to find out the determinant. Then you will get this. This is about the curl. So you will get a answer, a vector you will get. Okay, this is about the gradient and divergence and curl of a vector. Okay.